Baby, can you tell Mommy all the letters? Yes? Okay. Can you sit down, please? Okay. What is that?
A.
This.
B.
This.
C.
This.
D. D. E. F. T. H. I. J. K. O. M. N. O. P. U.
Q.
Q. R. S. T. U. V. W.
W.
W. X.
X.
Y. C.
Good job! Muito bem, filho! Muito bem! Okay, let's do the numbers now, okay? Let's do the numbers. Are you ready? Okay. This is 1,
It's 1,
2. Thomas, look at Mommy. 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 8,
6,
7,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
9,
9, 10. Let's do em português now. Vamos falar em português, filho. Em português. Que número é esse? 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. One more, Thomas. 10. It's a 2 blue dogs. 2 dogs. 3 cats. What is that?
You guess.
Yellow cat. How many cats are there?
1, 2,
1, 2. What is this one? 3. Good job, baby. High five.
5,
No, there are only 3, Thomas. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3,
3 cats, Thomas.
4,
No.
5,
There are only 3 cats here, baby.
5,
3 cats.
5,
3 cats.
5.
Here. 5 frogs. Os 5 sapos, filho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. É, em inglês, baby. In English. 1. Okay. What is that?
Fish.
Goldfish? Goldfish? Oh, you need to change your pee-pee diapers.
Is a
Fish? What color is the fish? What color is the fish?
Fish.
Orange fish.
Oh, no.
Let's count the fishes. Can you count the fishes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
6.
6.
Good job. All done. All done. There are only 6 fishes there. Good job, Thomas. You're so smart. Okay. We're all done with homework today, right? All done. What is in there? What's in there? What's that?
Baby.
Rabbit.
Oh no!
How many rabbits are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, good.
5.
No, only 4. There are only 4 rabbits, Tommy. Only 4.
5. Rabbit.
4 rabbits.
Oh, no.
4 red rabbits, right?